Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use the product tracker inside of Jungle Scout to track sales over time so that you can be really confident that your product has demand before you invest money into it. This tool allows you to easily group product ideas together and closely track their average sales, revenue, rankings, and more. I'm going to take you through 3 simple steps for using the tracker to help group and narrow down your list of product ideas. So let's get started. Step number 1, create a group. Select your marketplace, name your group, let's say yoga mats. Here you have the option of entering up to 10 ASINs or Amazon URLs if you already have a list. We'll also suggest some additional products that you can choose to add if you like. Click on Create and Add Products. Up here, you can click on Add Products if you have additional ASINs that you want to include. Click on the arrow to find additional recommended products or bulk upload a list of products that you might have. Displayed are all the products that you added. Sometimes you're going to see a message asking you to check back in 48 hours. Don't freak out. We track products in real time, so if it hasn't been tracked before, then we do need those first 2 days to begin collecting data. Another way to add products is from the product database by clicking the plus sign next to a listing. You can also do this from the extension as well. Please note that if adding from the extension, that it will just go to the ungrouped category and that you would need to move it from there. At any point, you can download your data by clicking here. If you haven't synced your Seller Central account to Jungle Scout, then you'll be able to download this data 7 times per week. If you have synced your account, however, you're able to download your data up to 100 times per week. Step number 2, analyze product trends. Now, up here, you can see your group overview. You can collapse or expand this by clicking here. You see your daily units sold, daily revenue, the BSR or bestseller rank, LQS or listing quality score, price, FBA fees, and then the net amount, which is what is left over after you take away Amazon's fees. You can also see the star rating, review count, weight, and size tier. Here, you can search for a specific ASIN. You can change the date range to either 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. So let's make it 1 month for this example. You can customize exactly which metrics you see up here. Now let's open up a listing. You'll see the numbers are specific to that product. Clicking here, you'll see a graph that displays the number of units sold on a daily basis. Hover over each day to see the units sold, the inventory levels, the BSR rank, and the price of the product for that day. You have the option to include inventory and see these levels displayed on the graph also. If you click the checkbox of 1 or more products, you're able to move this to a different group, perform a supplier search over in the supplier database, delete the product, or turn on alerts for this product. You can see your alert settings by clicking on Settings, Alert Settings. We have another tutorial that explains how to use this functionality. Now, you can also turn alerts on or off by clicking over here. Clicking here allows you to view and add notes about this particular product, view on Amazon, find supplier, download ASIN-specific data, or delete the product. To create a different group, head back up to the top and start the process again. Finally, step number 3, compare groups. Now, when you've got a number of groups, you can come over to the Overview tab and see all of them at once. To begin narrowing down your opportunities to just one, try to focus on the number of average sales to see which one has highest demand, and also look at the number of reviews, average rating, and even the listing quality score to get a better sense of the competition. Lastly, you can start to compare groups by their average price and the net profit to determine which one is the better opportunity. Finally, keep in mind your tracker limit up here. If you fill it up, you can always delete some listings to give you more space. And that's how you use the product tracker. If you follow the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to begin narrowing down your list of products to sell on Amazon. Now, go ahead and try this out for yourself by clicking the link down in the description to sign up for Jungle Scout. Did you know that Jungle Scout offers way more tools than just the product tracker, and that all the tutorials are actually located right here in this playlist? Make sure you check out the next video on how to use our Jungle Scout tools.